Lubrizol has taken a local for local approach throughout, our operation. And what that means is we have people local in the regions, we innovate in the regions, we buy raw materials in the region, we manufacture and sell. So of course, we're not, tariff free. But I think that we fared very well when we look across our markets and our businesses because we have products in the region. I come to Asia probably 4 or 5 times a year, and that's because this region is important for us. We do R&D here. We're going to talk more about that new center, but we also manufacture in across the region in Singapore, obviously in China. We're manufacturing in Malaysia, some manufacturing in Japan, as well as Korea and Australia. So we have a very broad footprint here in the region.
So I got to ask you, right? You brought up China. You do some manufacturing there as well. I mean, what's been going on with the U.S. confrontation, competition, whatever you want to call it, and this trade war, obviously at a different level. How's that impacted your business in China, or has it?
You know what? I don't want to say it's been no impact, but as I mentioned before, we have everything we need to do business in China, mostly there. So we've been business as usual. Our teams are focused on delivering those solutions that the Chinese customer is looking for. And more that solution is with the Chinese local brands. Of course, we sell to the who's who of the marketplace, whether it's in personal care, footwear, automotive, but we've seen a tendency to move from maybe the global brands to the local brands in China, and we're well positioned for that.
Interesting. And this is going to be a key question for all companies, I think, right? And we're trying to get a sense of what kind of impact tariffs have had. Can you confidently say that you feel you have pricing power right now?
Well, I think that what drives pricing power is innovation and those solutions that the customer really wants. And so we partner with our customers to find that right fit for purpose product. So sometimes we might actually, downscale a product to deal with some higher costs that we're seeing in our supply chain, working with our customers to find that best fit for purpose product offering. Okay. So, and we're seeing our customers also take some of those decisions as well. They might buy a cheaper product in one part of their purchasing side, but while they're upscaling in another part. I think one of your earlier guests may have mentioned that they were seeing that as well. So we are definitely seeing that differentiation in where people are putting their money today.
Got it. Sherry?
And yeah, Rebecca, this natural gas element often comes up in tariff negotiations that the Trump administration is engaged in. The idea of trading partners importing more of U.S. natural gas. How does that impact your business in any way? Because I was reading about a report suggesting that could actually lead to less availability of natural gas, as well as the natural gas liquids in the United States, and that could actually impact the cost side of the story and reduce your cost advantage. Is that the picture that you're seeing for your company?
Well, clearly, supply-demand balances are going to impact the cost of things like natural gas and natural gas liquids. But for Lubrizol, this really is a minor impact to our business overall. So we're confident if there's enough demand, there will be more supply come online as you look at the supply-demand balance of the petrochemical market in the United States.
And I wonder, what your operation in Asia would look like. And obviously, you have your new innovation center in Singapore, and I wonder what that brings to the table. And you're also working with a Chinese company in terms of, co-developing as well. So just talk to us about your vision in the region.
Yeah, so let me tell a little bit more about our innovation center. This is a regional innovation center that's going to bring together traditional surface science chemistry, but as well as digital and more advanced tools to innovate these chemistries. So machine learning, artificial intelligence, and a customer innovation hub where we can bring customers together to collaborate across the region to help drive those innovations at speed. We think that the company that brings the most innovations to market the most quickly is going to be the winner, and Lubrizol is really excited to be in that space.